Here's the final product. All put together. Ordered a shed off Temu. That's what it's supposed to look like. Came in this box. It's ridiculously heavy. But I want to put this shed in that back corner. So I gotta move that. And let's get this put together. Let's see how this quality is. So we got this cleared out. Got the wood removed. Let's see. There she is. Got the base made and the four corners up. Just screw them in on the corners here. On the next step. Starting to look like a shed. So we got the walls going up. Everything's fitting together pretty easily. Not too bad. You can see the fasteners here are just plastic washers and like some screws. I'll have another update shortly. Made some more progress, you can see. Roof's on, corner pieces are on, the edge trim is all on. All the walls are up. Last thing is we're doing these doors. We're gonna put these together with the little supports in here. Throw the doors on. We're moving it over there, but it's too short to stand all the way up in. Unless you're over at this side. This is probably 5'9" to the roof. And this side might be like 5'3". Plenty of room. Just gonna put some stuff in here that doesn't need to be in the garage and try to clean it up a little bit. But overall, I mean, it is solid. It's not going anywhere and it's decently heavy. I don't think the wind would pick this up. Yeah, no floor. So if you're expecting a floor, this is not it. But we're just putting it right there on the rocks. So should be perfectly fine with a rock floor. Overall, I think it took us maybe 3 hours to get to this point with 2 of us working on it. Probably fully done in 3.5 hours. $150, you can't beat it, especially for painted, like galvanized, whatever this is, aluminum, metal, whatever. Here's the final product. All put together. The doors are actually real sturdy and nice. It comes with a padlock. You open fully. You can see the bracing on the back. This side has these. So you can get these pulled. Good to go. Now we just gotta move it over there. So we picked it up. It's very light for 2 people. It's not bad at all. You can see, got a bunch of junk out of the garage. Still got space to go, but I'll pack this tight another day. For right now, this is perfect. Look at this. Even comes with a padlock if you want to use that, but I gotta get this aligned better. Whatever, you get the idea. Works good, looks good. No floor, so you know when it rains it might get a little bit wet in there, but everything's pretty well protected. Oh, and one other thing, they gave us little caps to put over the screws, and those kind of act like little lock washers or lock nuts for the back of all the screws, and so you don't hit your head. But it's just a nice touch. Overall, 150 bucks, great deal. I'll put a link in the description if you want one. No, I'm not making commission off this or anything. I just thought it was a good project.